Hey everyone, it's Jeff here, and what we got here is just a really quick video to let you guys know we found the keys to the kingdom. We found the promised land. We found the way to help anybody get more leads, more traffic, more sales, more exposure for your home-based business with an amazing tool, an amazing marketing system that we've seen some of our friends and students use that's produced 67 leads in just a couple of hours. It's phenomenal. It's phenomenal. So if you want to get more information, all you got to do is just do whatever this page says. Opt in, put your information on this page, go to the next page, check it out, and you're going to be amazed by this amazing system.